department, which is the BSBA course.
Ano, hina yung energy core.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome.
So, nangaluya man ang uban. Hindi mo na joy final.
The management department here in
Kasitmate,
front for the oath
of your department. Do solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the ideals
ba? Kayo na, oh, okay,
Once again, let's give it up for the second year BSTM students. But no more than I thought I could. Dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Let's go. I wanna dance with somebody. I'm a hit with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna be with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody who loves me. Sige, kapoy, nakuha ko kay kaon, guys. Kaya ko balik na ko. Okay, mga to, guys. Magkatapakot.
Yummy, guys.
Kapit.
Ganini nga food.
Okay, mga to, guys. Pumikot na ko. Bye-bye.
So this is from NLA Food and ano, yeah, if you want to, I love their food. Yeah, it's very yummy, and the Coke is only one bottle. The Coke is only one. Would rather but the soda? No, for us it should not. Kau na po, wag ako kumataw. Guys, damit kayang food, guys. I like the, I don't know, what do you call this one? Spicy chicken. Bawin na. Basta kay it's spicy and it's a chicken, so it's a spicy chicken. But it's not so spicy. It's not so spicy. Uy, dili sa English. But chicken nugget is very tasty. Wow, thank you, Mama. I love chicken nugget. Thank you, Mama. The food is very yummy, guys. Yummy. You look like Ariana Grande. Should I? Do I? Apa na English mo nila kasi. Do I? Should I kuno? Do I? I look like my face. So this is a mukbang 1.1. 1.1 nila na 6.0. So we have here pancet. Pancet. So this is pancet, guys. Pancet and spicy chicken. Spicy chicken. Hindi naman spicy. Ano ay buffalo wings? Ay buffalo wings. Basta kay chicken gyapon ni guys. And it's a spicy. We're sorry about that. Spicy buffalo wings. Buffalo wings. It's a little spicy buffalo wings. Little spicy. It's so yummy. Yeah. So yummy. You know that I love chicken. Yeah, but the soda is lucky. I have many foods here, guys, but I don't think I can eat it all because there's no water here. So there's no water available here. There's no water here, guys. So you have to finish your food now. Yeah. Oh my God! Thank you, mommy. I want chicken nuggets. Apil sa imong vlog ha. Kay dili ko mo watch and like yes. Oh my God, this fish is very expensive. Guys, this fish is very expensive, so it should be included in your vlog. Oh my God. Oh my God. It should be ganito. No. There. It's ganyan. It's very sexy. No. I look very sexy if I do that. Oh, tubig. Oh my God, guys. There's no water here. So, kailangan antuson ako na akong binuhan. So today, I will teach you how to eat. First, you have to get rice and bayat. This is zero sugar. It's not tasty at all.
So it's then. So you want sugar. It was sugar.
This taste is much better than this one. Zero sugar and but it's very expensive right now, guys.
Yeah, super.
Especially here in Panglao, the land of the richest.
One of God. So
guys, sa mga gusto pa mudugang, pwede po mudugang.
Oh, you hear that? Pwede mo mudugang.
How much this one cost? This cost 25 pesos. Oh my God.
But in the past,
Dalawa lang yung plato, guys, around dito.
fishball. So sharing is good. Oh, diba?
Oh, no, not good.
I almost done with my food. It's yummy.
Right now, I'm enjoying my
Oh my God, guys, ato ka na dito, guys.
Wala pang dano.
Spicy buffalo.
Oh no, leftover.
Oh my God, you sure have leftover vegetables. Okay, but stop na yung vlog because there are singers.
I'm so vegetarian.
So fake that you're trying.
Oh my God, go baby.
Know you everything down to the core.
Oh my God, guys. So that's it.
So that was all about our.
Oh my God, my eyes is very nice.
Tonight,
Okay, so that's it, guys.
it's impossible to find. Impossible.
Hi guys, so for this video is our quick dance day.
Sige.
Tapos, okay, that's it.
Gayaw-yaw ako ng court. Han! Han! Ano ba ayaw? Hi guys! Wala ka ba to? So guys, we are done on our acquaintance party. Yes. Look at my mascara.
1, 2, 3. Pagpro bagitan sa ubos, nandun pa sa ka.
Hindi dala.
1, 2.
Lakas sa!
Ayaw na nila. Ano to to? 1, 2. Gusto kita ba? Asa ikaw? Katalikod ikaw? Merong. Chile. Merong shot.